students, welcome to the online classes of your school. Today we are going to do chapter 6, which is integers. Before going to integers, you know what are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, all are natural numbers. Natural number starts from 1. Now whole numbers, if we add 0 to the natural number, means 0 plus all the natural numbers form whole numbers. So here whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, all the numbers. Okay, so whole numbers start from 0. Now negative numbers, you know what are negative numbers? Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. When there is negative sign, minus sign in front of the numbers, then it is called a negative number. Now we are coming to integers. What are integers? Integers are negative numbers plus whole numbers. Okay, whole number means 0 plus all the natural numbers. Here we can say natural numbers are also positive integers. Okay, positive integers. So integers include all the negative numbers, 0 and all the positive numbers. Okay, if we represent it through a number line, here this is the number line, in the middle it is 0 and on the right side all are positive numbers here, positive integers are here, and on its left negative integers are here, like 0, here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, so on. We can write our positive integers. And on the left side, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, we can write minus 5, minus 6, minus 7 and so on. Like this, we can write all the negative integers. Okay. Now, if we see, these are increasing in order. When we come from left to right, the integers keep on increasing, their value keep on increasing, and if we go from right to left, then the value keeps on decreasing. Okay, so if you have to compare, you can compare easily. Okay, here if we are coming to this side, then the numbers are increasing, and if we are coming, and if we are going to that side, on the left side, it means the numbers are decreasing. Okay, now greater the negative number, smaller is the value. Here if we want to compare, these two are positive integers and you know how to compare them. Here 4 is greater and 2 is smaller, so we will put this sign. If we want to compare negative integers, in this minus 4 is greater or 2 is greater, we will see on the number line. Here minus 4 is here and minus 2 is here, and as I said you, when we start coming to right side, then numbers keep on increasing. It means minus 4 is smaller and 2 is greater. Okay, so here minus 2 will be the greater than minus 4. Okay, now we will do our exercise. First question is write opposite of the following. First part is increase in weight. Suppose we are representing increase in weight with positive integer. So what we will do? We will represent decrease with negative sign. Okay, so what will be the opposite of increase in weight? It will be decrease in weight. Similarly, 30 km north will be 30 km south. 80 meter east will be 80 meter west. Loss of rupees 700. We are comparing loss, we are representing loss with negative sign. So profit will be the positive. So we will say profit of rupees 700 will be its opposite. Now 100 meter above sea level. Suppose here this is the ground level. We will say this is the ground level, or we can say sea level. Okay, and we are representing it with 0. So above the sea level or above the ground level will be represented by positive integers, and below the ground level or below the sea level will be represented by negative integer. Okay, so now when you have to represent these integers, first part is an aeroplane is flying at height 2000 meter above the ground. 2000 meter above. So we are representing the above cases with positive sign. It means what we will write? We will write positive 2000 meter for the above ground level. Okay, now second part is a submarine is moving at a depth. Depth means it is below the sea level. Okay, depth 800 meter below the sea level. So we are representing it with negative integer. So answer will be negative 800 meter. Okay, minus 800 meter. Now C part is a deposit of rupees 200. Students, as you are going to bank for depositing the money, it means you are adding value in your account, and if you are withdrawing, you are taking money from the bank from your account, it means you are lessing your value, you are decreasing your bank account, bank balance. Okay, so here a deposit of rupees 200 will be with positive sign, means positive rupees 200, and withdrawal will be with negative sign. So withdrawal of rupees 700 is minus rupees 700. Like this we will do our question second. Now third question is represent the following numbers on a number line. Certain parts are given to you, you have to represent them in number line, on the number line like this. Okay, this is the number line here. First part is plus 5, means positive 5. If we see on this number line, this is 0, these are the positive integers. It means this is positive 1, this is positive 2, positive 3, positive 4 and positive 5. So this will be the positive sign, positive 5. So we will represent it like this is positive 5. Okay, or you can circle this like this to represent that plus 5 is this on the number line. Now next part is minus 10. Here I have made another number line. In this we will represent minus 10. Here this is 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on up to minus 10. So this will be our minus 10. So we will represent like this. Okay, minus 10. And students, for all the parts you have to make separate number lines. Okay. Now C part is positive 8. In this positive 8 is this is 0 and these are the positive integers, so positive 8 is this. So this will be our positive 8 integer. Okay, positive 8. This was our negative 10. So we will write negative 10. Now students, our fourth question is a figure is given to us. In this a vertical number line is given. This is the vertical number line given to us. We have to observe and locate the following points. In the first part it is given that if point D is positive 8, then which point is minus 8? This number line is given to us. This is point A, B, C, D and here H, G, F and E are given. This is O point or we can say 0 point. Okay, this is positive 8. So what we will do? We will start writing positive integers above 0 and we will write negative integers below 0. So I am writing here above 0 positive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8 is already written here. Now below 0 will be minus 1, minus 2. So this is minus 1, this is minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. These are the points here on this number line. Now our first part is if D is positive 8, then which point is minus 8? Here D is positive 8, minus 8 is this, and what is this point? This is F point. So we will say that F is representing minus 8. So our answer of first part will be F. So as F is representing minus 8. Now B part is if point G is negative integer or a positive integer. Point G is negative or positive. This is point G. What is it? What it is representing? It is representing -6. It means it is representing negative integer. G is representing negative integer. So I write here in the B part, answer is negative integer. Now C is right integers for point B and E. B is this point and B is representing +4. So B is representing +4 here, and E is representing here. E is this point, last one. What E is representing? E is representing -10 here, this point, and this is -10. So E is representing -10. Now D part is which point marked on the number line has the least value. What is the least value in this number line? Here this is 0, these are positive integers and these are negative integers. And as I told you earlier, the greater the negative number is, its value is smaller, and least matlab the smaller one. So smaller one here is -10, the lower one, this is -10, and what is the point representing -10? E point. So our answer will be E. E is representing the least value of the integers. Now E part is E. Arrange all the points in descending order of value. Descending means from larger to the smaller. Okay, so we will write like this. These are the larger values, and if we come downwards, then these are in decreasing order. So first of all here is D, so I write D here. Now then C, so C, after this is B, B, A, this is point O, or we can say 0, so this is point O, then H, G, F and E. Like this we have written all the points in decreasing order. Their value is in decreasing order. Okay. Now students, our fifth question is, following is the list of temperatures of 5 places of India on a particular day of the year. Here are the certain places given to you, and here is the temperature given to you. In first part, what we have to do, write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. We have to write this temperature in the integer form. Okay, and students, you know that below 0 degree is negative temperature. We have heard that in Shimla the temperature is -5, -2, like this. Okay, what is this minus representing? This minus is representing below 0 degree Celsius. So we will represent below 0 degree Celsius with negative. We will represent below 0 degree with negative, and above 0 degree will be positive. Okay, so here it is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. So it is below, so we will represent it with negative integer, negative, or we can say -10 degrees Celsius is the temperature in Siachen. Now next is Shimla. Shimla is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degree. So below, here it is below, so we will represent it with negative -2 degrees Celsius will be the temperature for Shimla. Now next is Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad is 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degree. For above we are representing positive sign, so it will be positive 30 degrees Celsius. Same is the case with Delhi. Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius above, so we will write it +20 degrees Celsius. Next is Srinagar, 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degree, so it will be -5 degrees Celsius. Okay students, here we represent below with negative signs and above with positive signs here. Okay, now in B part it is given that following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. This is the number line given to us, and it is representing temperatures, okay, in degrees Celsius. We have to plot the name of the city against the temperature. Here we know the temperature, so in this number line we will locate on which integer or on which temperature which place is representing that temperature. Okay, so first of all is -10 degrees Celsius. Where is -10? This is -10, so we will locate this point as Siachen, because in Siachen the temperature is 10 degrees minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now Shimla is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Here it is 0 and minus 5. And if you will see carefully, there will be the small 5 divisions here. It means the one smaller division will be minus 1, then minus 2, this will be minus 3, minus 4, and this is minus 5 given. So we have to represent minus 2. This is 0, this is minus 1, and this is minus 2. So this will be the representation for Shimla. Okay. Now we have to represent plus 30 degree. This is plus 30. So it is the temperature for Ahmedabad. We will write here Ahmedabad. Now next is Delhi. Delhi is 20 degrees Celsius. This is 20 degrees Celsius. So we will write here Delhi. Now last one is Srinagar. Srinagar is minus 5. Minus 5 is this one temperature. So we will represent it as Srinagar. Minus 5 degree is the temperature in Srinagar. Okay, we have plot all the places. Now C part is which is the coolest place. What will be the coolest place, students? Our C part is what is the coolest place? The place where temperature is negative, greater of the negative number. Okay, here it is minus 10 and minus 10 is in which place? Siachen. So our answer is Siachen. Siachen is the coolest place among all these 5 places. Now D part is write the names of places when temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Here it is 10 degrees Celsius temperature. So above temperatures will be represented on this side. What are the places here? Delhi and Ahmedabad. So for D part the answer is Delhi and Ahmedabad, because in these 2 places the temperature is above 10 degrees Celsius. So our answer in this is Delhi and Ahmedabad. These 2 places have temperature above 10 degrees Celsius. Now our 6th question is, in which of the following pairs which number is the right of the other on the number line? In this, students, you have to make a number line and you will say what is the integer from these 2 given. Okay, on the right side. In the first part it is given 2 and 9. Okay, if we see in this figure, on this number line 2 will be here, somewhere here, and 9 will be here. So what is the right digit here? What is the which digit is on the right place? 2 or 9? 9 is on the right because this is the right side of the number line and this is the left. So on the right the temperature is, the digit is 9. So integer 9 in the first part is on the right of the other number. Now B part is minus 8 and minus 3. If we see, minus 3 will be here and minus 8 will be here. So which is on the right? Minus 3 is on the right. So we will write that minus 3 is on the right place. Okay, students, you can do rest of the parts yourself easily. Simply you have to make a number line, plot these 2 points of the part and see which is on the right side of the number line. Now students, our 7th question is, write all the integers between the given pairs. Here are certain parts given to you and in each part there are pairs given to you. Pair of integers are given to you. You have to write the integers between them and in increasing order. Increasing order means we have to come to the right side of the number line. Here first is 0 and minus 7. 0 and minus 7. Here I make the number line here. Okay, this is minus 7 here and this is 0 here. So these all are the integers between minus 7 and 0. Okay, and as we have to write in increasing order, so we will start from the left and come to the right, because we know that if we come from left to right, the numbers keep on increasing. So what we will write between 0 and minus 7, here are minus 6, minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1 are the integers, and they are in increasing order, because we know that minus 6 is the smallest, then they keep on increasing. Okay, here is one part, minus 8 and minus 15. We have to tell the integers between these two. Okay, so where is minus 8? Minus 8 is this one. Okay, and minus 15 is this one. So these all are the integers between these two integers, and as we have to write in increasing order, so what we will do, we will start from here and we will come to the right. So what we will write? Minus 14, minus 13, minus 12, minus 11, minus 10 and minus 9. These all are the integers between minus 8 and minus 15, and they are in increasing order. Okay, now our next question is 8th. In this first part is write 4 integers, negative integers greater than minus 20. We have to write greater than minus 20. So what will be the integers? The smaller of the negative. So here, if we write on number line, minus 20 will be here. So we will start coming to the right. So on the right side of minus 20 will be minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. We have to write only 4 integers, so I have written 4. Now B part is write 4 integers less than minus 10. What will be the integers greater than minus 10? Minus 9, minus 8. Sorry, smaller, we have to write the smaller integers. Smaller means less than minus 10, so we will start going towards left because we have to write smaller. Okay, so smaller of minus 10 will be on that side. Okay, so we can write any of the integers from these. So what we will write? We will write minus 11, minus 12, minus 13 and minus 14. These are the integers less than minus 10, as we know that the value keep on decreasing on that side. Now ninth question is, for the following statements write true or false. We have to write true or false, and if the statement is false, correct the statement. First part is minus 8 is to the right of minus 10 on a number line. Is minus 8 is on the right side? This is minus 8 here and this is minus 10 here. So what is on the right side? Minus 8 is on the right side, because as we know that this is the right side and that is the left side. So minus 8 is on the right side. So this statement is true. Minus 8 is to the right of minus 10. Now B part is minus 100 is to the right of minus 50. Students, if we keep on writing this number line on this direction, so here is minus 16, then minus 17, minus 18 and somewhere will come minus 50. And if we keep on writing after 50, minus 50, minus 51, minus 52, minus 53 and like this we will go to minus 100. Okay, so we will get minus 50 somewhere, like somewhere here and minus 100 here. So which is on the right side? If we see, this is the left and this is the right, so minus 50 is on the right side. Okay, and in the question it is given that minus 100 is to the right. So this is false statement because minus 50 is on the right side. So for the correction of B part, we will write that minus 50 is on the right side of minus 100. Now C part is smaller negative integer is minus 1. Is minus 1 a smaller negative? Students, as I told you earlier, if we go to the left, the values keep on decreasing. So if we have to tell the smallest negative. So if we keep on writing the negative integers, it will never end. So we can't tell the smaller negative. And if we talk about minus 1, then we will say that minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. Minus 1 is greatest negative integer, because if we compare minus 1 with all the other negative integers, then these all are smaller to minus 1. So we will say that minus 1 is the greatest negative integer. So for the correction of C part, we will write that greatest negative integer is minus 1. Now last D part is minus 26 is greater than minus 25. If we have to compare 26 and 25, what we will do? We will tell that minus 26 is greater, but as I told you, it is reverse in the case of negative sign. In this, minus 25 will be the greater. Okay, and in the question it is minus 26 is greater, so this is false statement. True one will be minus 25 is greater than minus 26. Now last 10th question is draw a number line and answer the following. We have to draw a number line and we have to tell about these parts. First part is which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Here is minus 2 and we have to move 4 numbers to the right. This is the right side, so we will move minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1 and 2. These are the 4 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4. And where we are reaching? We are reaching at point 2, positive 2. So its answer is which number will we reach? We will reach to 2 if we move 4 towards the right from minus 2. Now B part is which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. This is 1 here, and where we have to move to the left and 5 steps. Okay, so we will start moving as we were coming like this. So this is 1, 2, 3, sorry, 3 is this, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, and we are going to this direction, left direction. Okay, and students, for these parts again you have to make the number line separately for each part. Okay, you should not do on the same number line. So B part is 5 numbers to the left of 1. So this is was 1. We'll move to the towards left. What we are getting minus 4. So its answer will be, I am writing it here. This is 10th question. For A part we were reaching 2. For B part we reached to minus 4. Okay. Now C part is if we are at minus 8 on the number line. Here it is minus 8. We are on the minus 8. In which direction should we move to reach minus 13? If we have to reach minus 13, here is minus 13. So towards which direction we should proceed? If we have to go from here to here, so in which direction we are going? We are going towards the left because that is the left side. So we will write in C part that we should go to the left direction of the number line to reach minus 13. Now if we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? Firstly, we are at minus 6. This is the minus 6 here. Okay, and where we have to reach minus 1? Here is minus 1. So from here to here, in which direction we are proceeding? We are proceeding towards right. So we will write that to reach from minus 6 to minus 1, we have to proceed towards right side, because as we are coming like this is right side, so we come to the right side. So students, this was the first part of our chapter 6. We will do next part in our next video. Okay, we will do rest of the chapter in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.